Data spaces are governed areas of your Qlik Cloud tenant that are used to create and store data projects. Personal spaces are private. When a space is first created, only the user who creates a space is a member of that space. If you want to provide access for other users to your project, you first add members to the space, then you assign them roles to give them permissions to the space and resources in the space. You can assign one or more of the following roles. You can add and remove data space members, and you can change or remove their roles. To add or remove members of a data space, or to edit a member's role, you must be a tenant or data admin, the data space owner, or a member of a data space with the can manage role. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.